So what up YouTube, in this video, I'll be decorating this cake in the honor of the Queen. So yeah, please do like to like, subscribe and leave a comment. In this video, I'll be decorating this cake and I'll be delivering myself to London, England. So we're gonna watch the whole story of how I iced this cake, I decorated this cake, and I hand carried myself all the way to England. This really is the cake for the prince rather, not the king, for the royal house, because the king is no more. Long live the king, queen. Long live the queen. So, but finally, look on the bright side. England will finally have a queen, a king after 70 years of ruling. Oh, do you know what that implies? All the British pounds are going to have to be recycled, and the new face of the king's house has to be printed on it. Stock market case. The long list of things are going to happen in this next couple of months. But then, yeah, here's in the video. In this video, it's a sad thing that the queen just died. But then the British monarchy did a lot of hideous things to the world at large. But being one citizen in the world, we still have to mourn her. So not like I'm dedicating this cake to her, but it's not for her though, you know. So starting off, I'll just be icing this cake, basically. Icing this cake and dedicating this cake to her, per se. But she lived long enough. I would say she lived long enough, longer than I expected. So the British family has a king after 70 years. That's quite a long time, you know. 70 years is a long time. She saw a number of World Cups, a number of Olympics, a number of Commonwealth assemblies. She saw quite a number of things during her lifetime and during her reign as the queen. But one thing is certain, we all die one day. So, continuing, I just got to add in more buttercream to this pink mixture. So, I will get it saturated, a little bit of alcohol to make it soft. Cleaning out my spoon. Now just stir it. So the I'll save it for the. But I'm going with this ombre feel. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Yes, that's more like it. Just clean my edges, you know. Why not? Go from this video. So let's see what we have here. So I'm just gonna fill feel my edges and go on with the rest of the design. By the way, on the second note, couldn't the queen just step down for Charles to continue ruling and like witness the coronation of her dear son? So she died before another king should be crowned. I don't even know what all these people. They were quite stingy with power, you know. But that's just how it's supposed to be. Princess Diana. By the way, I don't really know the people say of Princess Diana. Can someone please tell me in the comments? Talking about the Queen. I heard Irish Twitter is on fire. They have been saying a lot of things about the Queen. How how she dehumanized them and all those sort of things. Well, I'm probably going to read more about all these things. So I will just clean up my table and come back with the remaining elements of. Then I'll just do it at the top still. Then keeping this aside, I would spray the cake a little bit, just the base of the cake. Just the base of the cake. I hate wasting my gold dust. I think this will be enough. This will be enough. Oh. Add a little bit of alcohol, sorry, edible spirits. So I'm just spraying the base ready lightly. I'm spraying the base lightly. Okay. Spraying the base lightly. That's for that. Return all this. Then picking my front. I think it's going to be my front. So I'll just be adding these roses. Add one here. Remove all these shells. add another here. Then I'll add all these small roses to just complement. All these small roses to just complement. All these small roses to just complement. You can see I'm leaving it in the same red, pink, purple palette. Then I'll add all this to just add more life and feel, because there are no small branch of seedlings without any flower, in a flower without branch of seedlings. Then I'll finish up with adding my happy birthday topper. I'll finish off with adding my happy birthday topper. Finish off with adding my happy birthday topper. So here we have it. So that's get complete. So if it's really this is the end of the video, I think it's the end of the video. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Peace.